What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2012 Ducati Multistrada 1200S Touring. Awesome bike. It's got the Arctic white pearl paint. It's got the factory Ducati bags, crash guards. And the S model has the Öhlins front and rear adjustable suspension. Radial mounted Brembo brakes with ABS. You can see the crash guards up here, so if you drop the bike, it's going to protect all the plastic pieces. And it's also got the added on T-Rex sliders, just a little extra protection. It's got the skid plate, 1200cc L-twin, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission, liquid cooled. It's got the front blinkers built into the factory handguards. Also, it has a throttle lock. So basically, you just twist the grip where you want it, turn the lock, and you can kind of rest your right hand a little bit. It's got keyless start, so you got the fob nearby, and just push the button. It's got the center stand, carbon fiber heat shield, single-sided swing arm. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and then gave it a professional detail. It does have some scrapes over here on the left side bag. There's a little scratch. There's a little scrape on this bar end. Just minor stuff. It's got the manual adjustable windshield. So you just loosen these knobs on both sides and it'll slide up and down. And this is actually a taller aftermarket shield. It's C. Bailey's. Pretty effective. Got a brand new tire on the front. Bike's got all the fancy electronic aids. Again, ABS brakes, traction control, and it's got the electronic adjustable suspension. So over here you can change between sport, touring, urban, enduro. Traction control over here, full digital display. Bike's only got 18,355 miles. It runs perfect. This bike's a lot of fun, a lot of fun. Plenty of power on this bike. This thing, she likes to go. And also, it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it has been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection, and we test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.